Welcome! The following video will demonstrate how to program a wireless carbon monoxide detector into a 2 gig GC2 panel. To program a carbon monoxide detector into a security zone, you will first need to access the installer toolbox. Press the 2 gig logo on your GC2 panel screen. Enter the installer code. The default installer code for the GC2 is 1561. You are now in the installer toolbox. To access zone programming, press System Configuration. You'll see Q1, select RF sensor number 01 to 48, 63 to 74 displayed in the upper ribbon of the screen. System configuration is navigated via questions and sub-questions. Wireless zones are programmed in Q1, so we're already on the correct question for wireless devices. First, you will decide which zone number to assign to the wireless carbon monoxide detector. Note, the words sensor and zone are interchangeable. In this training, we'll use the term zone number. By default, we're already on the correct sub-question to select the zone number. The white field is called the answer box. 01 will display in the answer box by default, which means we've selected zone number 1. If you would like to change the carbon monoxide detector to a different zone number, press the right arrow to change the zone number, or type the desired number in using the number keys on screen. You will see the new selection appear in the answer box. Once the desired zone number displays in the answer box, press the down arrow to go to the next sub-question. Select the sensor type. There are two ways to change the sensor type. Option 1. Press the right arrow until 24-hour carbon monoxide displays in the answer box. Option 2. Use the on-screen keypad to type in 14, which is the 2-digit code for the 24-hour carbon monoxide sensor type. Press the down arrow to go to the next sub-question. Select the equipment code. Press the right arrow until 2 gig CO detector displays in the answer box. You can also type 1, 0, 2, and 6 to select this option. Press the down arrow to go to the next sub-question. Next, input the serial number for the carbon monoxide detector. You will find the serial number on the detector's box labeled as a TXID number. The number is also shown on a sticker on the detector itself. Remove the detector from its mounting base by twisting the detector counterclockwise. You will then see a sticker with the TXID number. You can either add the serial number with the panel's on-screen keyboard or add it in wirelessly. If you choose to add the serial number wirelessly, first insert the battery, if you have not done so already, and then attach the mounting base and turn it clockwise to secure. Press Shift, then Learn. You will see a message that the panel is waiting for the sensor transmission. Trigger the sensor. There are two ways to trigger the carbon monoxide alarm. Option 1. Press and hold the Test Hush button continuously until you see a confirmation message that the transmission was received along with the ID number. This should take around 4 to 10 seconds. Your second option is to tamper the detector. Twist the detector counterclockwise to remove the mounting base. You will see the confirmation message and ID number on screen. Note, the panel will register any sensor within range, so you will need to make sure the ID number shown on screen matches the serial number, or TXID, of the carbon monoxide detector you are adding. If the ID numbers do not match, press Learn once more and trigger the detector again. Press OK as soon as the correct ID number displays on screen. You will see the serial TXID number in the answer box. Press the down arrow to go to the next sub-question. Select the equipment age. Since this is a new 2 gig contact, leave the selection as 0 new. Press the down arrow to go to the next sub-question. Next, Select the loop number. The carbon monoxide detector uses loop number 1, so we can leave the default option as is. Press the down arrow to go to the next sub-question. Choose whether to enable or disable the dialer delay. The dialer delay is used to help prevent false alarms. To enable the dialer delay, use the right arrow to select option 1. To disable the dialer delay, leave option 0 disabled. Once the desired option displays in the answer box, press the down arrow to go to the next sub-question. Next, add the voice descriptors. Press Insert. The word abort will automatically appear in the answer box. Change the word by either using the right and left arrow buttons, or by typing the word's 3-digit code using the keyboard. For a list of all voice descriptors and their associated codes, see the Installation and Programming Guide. To add another word, press Insert again, and repeat the steps just discussed. You can add up to 5 words. Once the desired word or words displays in the answer box, press the down arrow to go to the next sub-question. Next, choose whether or not to send reports to the central monitoring station. If you would like reports related to the carbon monoxide detector to be sent to the central station, select 1 Enabled. Press the down arrow to go to the next sub-question. Next, decide whether or not you want the panel to monitor supervisory signals of the carbon monoxide detector, such as low battery, tamper, and more. Select 1 Enabled to activate this feature. Press the down arrow to go to the next sub-question. Lastly, select the chime. For the carbon monoxide detector, you will want to leave the chime at the default option, which is 00 disabled. Press the down arrow to go to the summary page. Review the summary page to ensure all information is correct. Review all answers. If you need to edit any of the information, press Edit Current. To exit programming mode and save your changes, press Skip. Then press End. The option to save changes is selected by default. Finally, press Exit. The system will automatically save the new information, and the panel will reboot. The 2 gig wireless carbon monoxide detector is now programmed into the 2 gig GC2 panel.